What's up, guys? Welcome to my very first video on Vernon's closet. Let's get into this review of this Versace. I don't know if it's pronounced Eros or Eros. Do you roll the R? I don't know. All the Italian people, please let me know. I don't know. Eros or Eros Flame. This is actually a cologne. It's a cologne set, but it comes with a bag, which is perfect because I was actually looking for a Versace bag. I was looking at a couple of Versace bags, and something told me to go inside Macy's just to browse around, and I went inside Macy's and browsed around and found this. Plus, I need some new cologne, so it's perfect, and it seems like such a great deal. It was literally $100. I mean, literally $98.99. I mean, you can't beat that. Now, when I got this, I was like, oh, I bet there's a catch. I bet this bag is probably very, very small. But I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, it'll be kind of true to size to this picture. Of course, not literally this size on the box, but you know what I mean. So, yeah, I thought it was perfect. So let's get into it. Let's unbox it. I mainly got this, honestly, just for the bag. I did want new cologne because I got tired of wearing the same cologne. But I honestly don't even wear cologne a lot, you know? But I mainly got this because of the bag. So let's get right into it and unbox it. And by the way, guys, make sure you check out my website. It's vernonscloset.bigcartel.com. I've got items on there that I sell, clothing items, and hopefully some of the items that I review on this channel. Okay, she's giving me a hard time here. She just doesn't want to come out. Well, that's because it doesn't come out. Okay. Okay, and the cologne is on this end, so I opened it wrong, on the wrong end. So let's open it up. This. Okay, so there it is. There's the cologne. It's like tucked in there. Pretty bottle. Very pretty bottle, as you can see. So this is the cherry scent. They've got several scents of the cologne. This is the cherry. The other ones, I've smelled them, and they all smell very similar. I've smelled them before in other fragrances, so I wanted something different. So, you know, if I was going to get cologne, I'm going to get something different. So this is Eros Flame Men's. It's a red bottle. They call it cherry. And it does smell good. It smells awesome. It smells good. It smells good. There's the famous Versace logo there. That is Medusa, right? Medusa. And here is the bag. So let's check out the bag, which is the main attraction. Open her up. Wow. You know, this is interesting because I remember when Macy's used to do the bag and cologne deal all the time, and they never did anything this nice. Like, because Versace is kind of a big deal. And for them to do a bag of Versace, I was a little surprised. They would do bags before with different brands, but they weren't like this. They were like those, you know, like those duffel bags, but nothing like this. So here it is. It's a nice little backpack. I don't know what this material is called, but it's cool that they included the Versace logo there so people know it's Versace when you wear it. So it's got a zip compartment down here. There's a Greek key on the zippers, on the zipper pull tabs, or whatever you call them. That's a very iconic, famous thing Versace usually does. So it's got a zipper compartment down there. And then this right here buttons up. And I guess you can kind of create more room when you undo it. And then when you do it, and then when you buckle it up, it shrinks it down a bit. I'm already getting spit all over it from talking. But up here is another compartment. So this is cool. It goes kind of all the way around. Okay, cool. And then you store all your goodies in there. And on the inside here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got Versace, 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 Versace. You guys remember that rap song or a song or whatever it was? I don't know. Came out a while ago. Yeah. Pretty straight to the point, pretty straightforward. Nothing too fancy. Of course, I wouldn't expect it from Macy's. And then you get a little pocket right here in the front. Great gift for somebody. Great gift for someone's birthday or just any occasion, really. Yeah. I think that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. It's a nice little backpack to carry your essential items, you know, like your wallet items that you normally carry and whatever else, you know, like carry your lunch. Oh, look. We got the Greek key on the back for the back straps. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Isn't that cool? And again, this bag, this cologne, was literally only $100, guys, at Macy's. I think that's a really cool, good deal they've got going. So now you can brag to your friends that you have a Versace bag. And you paid practically nothing for it. All you did was just pay for the cologne. I don't know if the women's have anything similar going on. I don't know if they have a bag that comes with any of their perfume. But this is the men's situation. And this is really cool. I really look forward to you know, wearing this out. I really look forward to it. It's really cool. It looks pretty trendy. And it's got feet as well. Look at these feet. That's pretty cool. I like that they include these, because you would think they wouldn't include these because it's practically like free. But usually when they do little bag deals, you just wouldn't expect them to add things that they don't have to add, and they didn't really have to add these. And it's really great that they added the feet here, because that's gonna make a big difference as far as the bottom of your bag getting messy. So that's really cool. I'm gonna stuff it. I'm gonna stuff the bag so you guys see it in its full, like, potential. Okay, guys, so this is what the bag looks like stuffed with items. Just so you guys can get a full picture of what it looks like when it's being used. I don't really have it at full capacity stuff, but it's good enough, I think. One thing that's kind of that's annoying me is that these, like, I want these to stay closed, and they won't stay closed. And that's probably because I don't really have it all the way filled up. I don't know. But that's already bugging me. I don't know. It may not bother you, but it bothers me. So I find myself always coming back and trying to redo it. But yeah, so this is how it looks when it's filled up. I got some magazines in here in a folder. So this is what it looks like filled up. Looks really cool. I would show you guys what it looks like on, but considering space and it's at night right now, I don't have time to do all that. So yeah. Head over, guys, to your local Macy's and check it out before they all go away, because I'm pretty sure people will eat this up. I wasn't even really looking for this. I just stumbled on it by mistake and decided to take advantage of it. So there you go. Versace cologne set with a bag at Macy's. And this is Vernon's Closet signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.